Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch Hay Day accounts. To switch between Hay Day accounts, first of all, launch open your Hay Day application on your device and make sure that you are playing the game. Once you end up in this page, tap on the hamburger menu appearing at the top left. In the pop-up, click on Settings. Within your Settings menu, click on the little loop kinda arrow thing and it'll take you to Switch ID option. If you have multiple IDs, you can then go ahead and switch between them by simply selecting one of the IDs from the list. If you haven't logged into another Supercell ID yet, you can then tap on the Login to Supercell ID option and continue. Login in with your Supercell account credential. Enter your email address for the Supercell ID you are trying to log in or add into your ID list and click on the Login button. Verify your email address by entering the code sent on your email and tap on Submit. After linking multiple IDs, you can then go ahead and choose the ID you want to switch between from this page, and there you have successfully learned how you can switch between accounts in Hay Day. So that is how you easily do it. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more tutorials like this. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.